first quiz series for distance learning students. Subscribe and join my YouTube channel Introduction to Biochemistry. Please visit my website rfasth.com. A branch of biochemistry that is associated with the application of biochemistry in health and disease is A. Medical biochemistry, B. Molecular biology, C. Toxicology, D. Natural product biochemistry. So what is the answer? I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. The answer is medical biochemistry. So generally, medical biochemistry is actually a branch of biochemistry that deals with the study of application of biochemistry in medicine. And generally in medical biochemistry, we use blood, urine samples to analyze them too. Which of the following is not an application or is not an example of supramolecular complexes? A. Ribosomes, B. prions, C. virus, D. endoplasmic reticulum. 10 seconds to answer this question. Then the answer is endoplasmic reticulum. So generally, supramolecular complexes is actually are formed when different macromolecules are joined together by non-covalent forces like hydrogen bonding, van der Waals force of interaction, and electrostatic force of attraction. So endoplasmic reticulum is not an example of supramolecular complexes. Drug development takes an average of dash years: A 10, B 13, C 20, D 30. Generally, drugs development takes about 12 to 15 years. So averagely in 13 years, drugs can be developed. The Human Genome Project takes dash years to be completed: A 13, B 20, C 10, D 30. 5 seconds to answer this. Then the answer is 13 years. So Human Genome Project takes about 13 years to be completed. It started in 1990 and completed at 2003. So it takes scientists 13 years to sequence the whole human genome. 5. Which of the following is an application of medical biochemistry? A. Drug development, B. Disease diagnosis, C. Disease treatment, D. All of the options. You have 10 seconds to answer this. Then the answer is all of the options. So generally, the main application of biochemistry in medicine is actually involved in drug development, disease treatment, and diagnosis. 6. The branch of biochemistry that is associated with adverse effect of drugs and chemical compound is A. Toxicology, B. Molecular genetics, C. Pharmacology, D. Natural products. 5 seconds to answer this question. Then the answer is toxicology. So toxicology is a branch of biochemistry that is associated with adverse effect of chemical substances and drugs. So the answer is toxicology. 7. According to Human Genome Project, human genome contains dash base pairs: A. 2 billion base pairs, B. 5 billion base pairs, C. 3 billion base pairs, and D 6 billion base pairs. So the answer is 3 billion base pairs. That is the latest that are contained in human genome: adenine, guanine, cytosine. There are 3 billions. 8. The 3 organelles of a cell that contain DNA are. Please answer this question in my comment section of this video. Answer these questions in my comment section in this video. 9. Which of the following scientists is not involved in resolving the DNA structure? A. James D. Watson, B. Francis Crick, D. Rosalind Franklin, D. Robert Hooke. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. The answer is Robert Hooke. So Robert Hooke is a scientist that first discovered cells and named it as cell. And these three scientists, option A to C, they are the scientists that actually involved in determining the 3D structure of DNA. 10. Who deduced the double helix structure of DNA? A. Watson and Francis Crick. B. Edman. C. Anton van Leeuwenhoek. D. Mendel. 5 seconds to answer this question. So the answer is Watson and Francis Crick. So these are the scientists that actually deduced the structure of DNA. Which of the following are important for white blood cells recognition? A. Glycoproteins. B. Glycosaminoglycans. C. Glycolipid. D. Proteoglycans. 5 seconds to answer this. Then the answer is glycoproteins. So glycoproteins are proteins that are involved in protein recognition. Thank you.